Hey, how was your weekend?
It was great. I spent a lot of time with my family. We went to the park, had a barbecue, and played some games together.
That sounds like fun. Who all did you hang out with?
My parents, my sister, and her kids came over. It was nice to catch up and spend time with everyone.
That's awesome. Do you see your family often?
Yeah, we try to get together at least once a month. It's important to me to stay connected with them.
I totally understand. Family is really important. Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, just the one sister. But we're really close.
That's great. I have two brothers myself. We used to fight a lot when we were kids, but now we get along pretty well.
Yeah, siblings can be like that sometimes. But it's good that you're close now.
Definitely. So, do you have any plans for the upcoming holiday?
Not yet. But I'm hoping to spend it with my family again. We usually have a big dinner and exchange presents.
Sounds nice. What do you usually eat for the holiday dinner?
Oh, we have all the traditional stuff: turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes, green beans, cranberry sauce, and pumpkin pie.
Yum, that all sounds delicious. Do you help with the cooking?
Yeah, I usually make the mashed potatoes and help with some of the other dishes. My sister is the turkey expert though.
Haha, that's funny. It's great that you all pitch in to make the meal happen.
Yeah, it's a lot of work, but it's worth it to be able to spend time together and enjoy a nice meal.
Absolutely. Well, it was nice chatting with you about family. I'll talk to you later.
Sounds good. Take care. Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. So, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother. How about you?
I have two sisters and a brother.
Wow, that's a big family. Are you all close?
Yeah, we are. We grew up together and have always been pretty close.
That's nice. I always wished I had a bigger family. It's just me and my brother, so it's pretty quiet at home.
Yeah, I can imagine. But having fewer siblings can be nice too. You get more attention from your parents.
That's true. So, what do your parents do?
My dad is a lawyer and my mom is a teacher. How about yours?
My dad works in IT and my mom is a nurse.
That's cool. Do you get to see them often?
Yeah, we're all pretty close. We try to get together as a family at least once a month.
That's nice. My family does the same thing. We always have a big dinner together on Sunday nights.
That sounds like fun. I wish my family did that.
Maybe you could suggest it to them. It's a great way to stay connected.
Yeah, I think I will. Thanks for the idea.
No problem. So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I might go visit my brother, but that's about it. How about you? Hi there, how's your family doing?
They're doing well, thanks for asking. How about yours?
They're good too. My sister just had a baby, so we're all very excited about that.
That's great news. Is it your first niece or nephew?
Yes, it is. I can't wait to meet him.
Do you have any plans to visit them soon?
Yes, I'm actually flying out there next week to see them.
That's nice. How far away do they live?
They live across the country, so it's a bit of a long flight, but it'll be worth it to see the baby.
I bet it will be. Speaking of babies, Do you and your partner have any plans to start a family of your own?
Not yet, but we've been talking about it. We want to make sure we're ready before we take that step.
That's a good idea. It's important to be prepared before starting a family.
Definitely. How about you? Do you have any kids?
Yes, I have 2 children. They're both in school now, so it's been busy around the house.
I can imagine. How do you manage to juggle work and taking care of them?
It can be challenging at times, but my partner and I work together to make it work. We have a good support system with our families and friends too.
That's great. It's important to have a strong support system.
Absolutely. It's also important to make time for yourself and your partner, even with kids around.
That's a good point. Thanks for the advice.
No problem. Family is important, but it's also important to take care of yourself and your relationships.
I agree. Thanks for the chat. It was nice talking with you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Hi there. How's it going?
Hey, it's going well. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing pretty good. So, I wanted to talk to you about something that's been on my mind lately. It's about family.
Sure, what's on your mind?
Well, I've been thinking a lot about how important family is to me. I know that not everyone has a close relationship with their family, but I feel really lucky to have the family that I do.
That's great to hear. What makes your family so special to you?
I think it's just the fact that we've always been there for each other, no matter what. We've gone through some tough times together, but we've always come out stronger on the other side.
That's really nice. I think having a close-knit family is so important. I feel the same way about my own family.
Yeah, definitely. I also think it's important to make time for family, even when life gets busy. It can be hard to balance everything, but I always try to make sure I spend quality time with my family.
I completely agree. I know that sometimes it can be tough to find the time, but it's always worth it in the end. What kinds of things do you like to do with your family?
Well, we love to go on vacations together. We've been to some really amazing places over the years. We also enjoy just hanging out and watching movies, or playing board games.
That sounds like a lot of fun. My family and I love to go camping and hiking together. We also like to have big family dinners on special occasions.
Yeah, those are always great. Speaking of family dinners, do you have any favorite family recipes?
Oh, definitely. My grandma's lasagna recipe is one of my all-time favorites. It's been passed down through generations in my family, and it's always a hit.
Yum, that sounds delicious. My mom makes the best macaroni and cheese. It's a family recipe too, and we always have it on holidays.
That sounds amazing. I love homemade mac and cheese. It's always better than the boxed stuff.
Absolutely. Well, it was great talking to you about family. I always love hearing about other people's experiences with their families.
Same here. It's nice to know that other people value their families as much as I do. Thanks for the chat.
No problem, talk to you soon.